good, guys? Welcome back to Bandzpalace. It's your boy Big Bands. This is that beautiful blue double Merle that I was telling y'all about that we brought to the camp. Now you can see her officially. Sorry, don't mind the baby yelling in the background. You know how that go. But anyway, long story short, I'm going to show y'all what I got her eating right now. She is currently 3 months old, so y'all see how small she is right now. But she should be a pocket. Her father's a pocket. I'll leave some pictures of the parents in the description so you can see. I'll leave some pictures of the parents so y'all can see exactly what the parents look like. But for right now, let's get into the meal that she's gonna be eating today. So for starters, of course you're gonna have your normal what? Obviously, we hitting her. Obviously, we hitting her with some diamond today. You can see which diamond I got. Diamond puppy. So for anybody who's wondering, you know, what do they feed their bullies and stuff like that, nothing wrong with getting some diamond. So we gonna go ahead and just get about a scoop of that. You see that? See? So you probably want another half a scoop. Normally I give her about a scoop. She's on the small side, obviously. So yeah, that's about, you just want enough to make it look like it's a small little mountain. You don't want it to be at the bottom of the bowl. You see? See how I can move it around and you don't see the metal? You want to make sure you're good. See? If you do this and you see the metal, then you probably should add a little bit more. But this meal's going to have some toppers in it, so she's going to be okay fine. Right now, we're going to be feeding her some of this on top of it because she doesn't actually like the Diamond or the Victor so far from what I noticed. So I got to kind of mix it up a little bit and keep it interesting with her. So we're going to be giving her some of this Pure Vita right now, or Pure Vita. I call it Vita. Some people call it Vita. But as you see, it got a lot. It's high in protein. It's real good. It kind of reminds me of the wet Victor dog food. You can see the type of texture it is and everything. You know, it's not like that cheap pedigree chunky dog food. These actually go for about $4 or $5 a box. So I'm gonna let y'all see how I add that right now. So I just add a couple chunks to it. As you can see. See how that look? That's real food in there. Right here, this has, I'll just read off some of the things that they got into it. I'll read off some of the things that it got into it. Beef broth, beef liver, spinach, pumpkin, green beans, carrots, pearl barley, quinoa, salmon oil, sea salt, vitamin E supplement, vitamin A supplement, thiamine, vitamin D, vitamin B12 supplement, some canola oil, some zinc, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But like I said, it's high in protein. I'll get into everything that's in this inside of another video, but right now we're not going to do that. So the next thing that we're going to add is obviously, you know, just a little, what do I call it? A refresher, just a little base to keep it interesting or whatever. I'm gonna be honest, I usually use this, but I don't know how it's looking right now. I didn't refill it, but we'll just go ahead and do this. There's none coming out right now. So let's do this. We're gonna just do this right now real quick on camera. Gotta be careful with this. You know, this drink is slippery. There we go. That's enough for right now. So multiple dogs is using this coconut oil right now. That's why it's like that. But as you see, just enough to drizzle on the top to make it look, you know, to make it nice. Everybody know what coconut oil is for, so I don't gotta explain that to y'all right now. With this, I don't have to add any rice or anything like that because most of the supplements, they got rice in it. So it's all good. Also, this is something new I've been using. Well, it's actually not something new I've been using. It's something new I've been using with her. I've been getting this for a while, actually. I like to get it with the puppies to help train them and stuff like that. Use it as a snack. As you see, everything I'm getting is beef-based products. Never give your bully chicken. Always give your pits and your bullies, whatever you got. Whether it's a staffy, whether it's a pit, whether it's a bully, anything in the terrier breed, you always want to try to direct them to the beef formula. Everything beef. If you could get them 100% natural beef, then you're doing excellent. If you can't, then that's fine. But for right now, this is extremely high in protein. Oh, by the way, this is very cheap, guys. This is about $6, $7, $5 minimum a bag. And you get a whole lot. You put it in the freezer. It lasts about a month. So you good. Now, like I said, you don't have to use a lot. You just drop a couple pieces in there. Now you see how that look, right? Give me 1 second. Let me go get myself a little plastic spoon or fork. Little plastic knife. Hold on. Ziploc bag. And let me tell y'all the point of the Ziploc bag, guys. I understand it's a dog that you feeding. I get that. But just like people food, you don't want to be handling. You can show me real quick. You don't want to be handling your dog's food with dirty hands. That just don't make sense. Don't do that. Period. Don't do that. Don't handle your dog's food with dirty hands. Don't give him a dirty bowl. Don't give him a dirty water bowl. Everything got to be clean when you're handling your dog. Simple as that. No matter what kind of dog you got. It could be a backyard dog. Everything got to be clean. Alright? So if y'all look back down here right now, you can see how this is coming out. Mind you, she's a puppy. She's a bully. So a lot of people going to be like, oh, wow, why you feeding her that much? And listen, she's only eating 2 times a day. Sometimes she don't even finish her food. She don't like the Victor. She don't like the Diamond. And I don't want to give her the cheap stuff. So with that being said, I gotta mix it up. I gotta, when she does eat, I gotta make sure I'm giving her a nice portion to fit the nutrition factor that she needs, because she's not always eating all the time. You get what I'm saying? So it's important to make sure when I do feed her, I feed her. Now also, guys, normally I like to microwave this a little bit or just heat it up in a pot, but I had this out for about 20 minutes before the video, so it's nice and defrosted. As you can see, kind of mushy down there, nice and defrosted. So there you go. Hold on 1 second. The only missing ingredient right now is egg. The only missing ingredient right now is egg, because you know, eggs is whatever it is, missing or whatever the case, however you want to look at it, but it's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. I'll have eggs for her later, and normally I mix some frozen vegetables in this, but I don't have that right now. Well, I do have that, but I didn't throw it out, and she's hungry, so you know, so that's the main reason why I can't wait. Sony, come here. She over there playing right now. Sony, come here, girl. Come here. Anyway, she over there doing her thing. Anyway, 1 second, guys. So, I'm gonna let y'all see when I give her the food. Pass me that red bowl right there so I can put some water in it for her. I'm gonna let y'all see when I give her this food. She had this before, but like I said, she's a very picky pup. So she doesn't always eat what I give her, but we're gonna see right now. Alright? But yeah, guys, as you can see, she's a double Merle. Her mom's a Merle, her dad's a Merle. She's not deaf. There you go. You can see that. She's not blind. You can see she looking at that food. So for anybody who says the myth about, hey, don't breed Merle to Merle, I'm not saying do it, but I'm just saying it's not impossible. So if you want to say she's one of the first double Merles to hit YouTube, then fine, she is. But that's just the facts. As you see, like I said, she did not touch the food. She did, and this is not the cheap stuff, guys. I'm giving her the good stuff. I'm giving her all the good stuff. She's not touching her food, but I don't know. Y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know if y'all know, something I could do to help her eat better. But she's just a picky eater. Now, I did give her kibbles and bits one time, guys, and she tore that up. So let me know. Is it just her? Do y'all dogs do the same thing? Do y'all dogs want to eat cheap stuff like kibbles and bits? Is it just me? Let me know. Because if I bring her future baby daddy out here right now, he gonna finish this whole bowl. Look. Now I know y'all thinking, oh, that's too big for her. That's why she spit it out. Nah, that ain't why. She just don't like nothing. She just don't like nothing. That's dog meat. That's not people meat. That's created for puppies like her to process and eat. That's not me forcing raw food in her mouth. That's the pronto. That's the primal pronto. That's in her bowl right now. I mean, at least she eating a little bit. But anyway, guys, let me keep y'all updated on everything going on with her. Hey, look at that. Hey, she's eating. I think I found the formula, guys. I made this for her before, and I'm telling you, she took a couple bites, and she was like, yeah, I'm out. Okay, well, at least we got her eating. All right, guys, so I'm going to get back to y'all in a little bit. I'm going to let y'all know how much of this food she actually ate. And whatever's left over, we're going to give it to that boy Hurricane because, he eats. So I'll see y'all in a bit. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. I'll give y'all an update. Oh, yeah, y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know how y'all like her coat pattern and everything like that. The gray, the blue, the black, everything, Y'all let me know what's up. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Alright, guys, so we're back. We added some vegetables to the bunch just to see if she would eat more. And boom, you see the results. She getting at it. Go get it, mamas. Go get it, mamas. Go get it, mamas. So yeah, she getting at it, y'all. She could thank mommy for that. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. I'm gonna let y'all see the end result. Alright, guys, so this is the finished product. This is how much she left in there. So going off what she normally do, it's not that bad. But right now we gonna go ahead and let Hurricane eat. That boy hungry, he gonna eat some of that. And we gonna let him finish all of that. Hurricane, pull up. Woo! Alright, so we got Hurricane here. There go my boy Hurricane, my future stud. Stud fee starting out $750 to the end of the year. Nah, I'm just joking. That's my boy Hurricane. Look how he get right to it. That boy don't play. That boy don't play. No food aggression in him. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Hurricane. Hey. See, no food aggression in my pups. Hey. He barking at his sister. Now, this is who I will be breeding. This is who I will be breeding the Merle to. I know people thinking, why in the world will you breed a white and blue and gray Merle to an all white bully? The reason is because if you've been watching my videos, you know his mother's a blue nose. Let his leash go. You know his mother's a blue nose. And you know his father's a chocolate. So you would know he throw color. He even got this tick mark on his ear. A chocolate tick mark on his ear. Yeah, you. Kind of like a Dalmatian. Just to show you he throw color. Which, by the way, if I show you his sister, his little mate sister right now, by looking at them, you probably wouldn't even think they was related. But if you've been watching my videos again, I told y'all these was going to be my two keeper pups. So if you've been watching my videos from day one and not just skipping through or not new to the channel, by the way, if you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. But here's his little mate sister right here, Hazel. Hey, Hazel, look at me. There she go. Boom. Pretty girl Hazel. And she looking for her food right now. There go her food. Yes, they can eat together without fighting and everything. They are brother and sister, so you can see what type of color they throw. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave them to eat their food. And if you go back in my video, she looks a lot like her mom. And his body style is like his dad. So you can see what they're going to grow up to be. And I'll be breeding her to a tri-Merle once she reaches her second heat. But for right now, I'm going to get off this. I'll get back to y'all in the next video. Actually, I'll probably cut the camera back on and let y'all see how much of the food they ate, because they do eat more than the Merle. But for right now, it's your boy Big Bands. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back.